Struggling to get your online store noticed? I know the feeling. My shop was practically invisible, buried deep on page 2 of search results. Sales were slow, traffic barely trickled in, and I was starting to wonder if anyone even knew my store existed. I tried tweaking product titles and running ads, but nothing moved the needle until I discovered this e-commerce SEO service. From the start, their team made SEO feel less like a mystery and more like a step-by-step strategy. They're pros at boosting visibility, climbing rankings, and driving real traffic to your storefront. The best part? Their all-in-one dashboard made keyword research so simple, I could finally see what my audience was actually searching for. What really blew me away was the Amazon storefront design they created for my brand. It wasn't just pretty, it was built to convert. And it worked. My conversion rate improved almost overnight. Then came the optimized blog content. Suddenly, people were finding my site through helpful articles, not just ads. Organic traffic grew steadily, and with it, my sales. Now, my store doesn't just exist, it stands out. I'm seeing consistent traffic, better engagement, and stronger sales than ever before. If you're serious about growing your e-commerce brand and finally getting the visibility your products deserve, this agency is the move. Don't stay invisible. Click the link in the description and start boosting your store today.